How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. Today I'm going to be working on a pen for a buddy of mine. He likes fast cars and slow women, and for some reason he drives a Ford. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to work on a pen for him, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. But anyway, let me get started. We'll see what comes out. Alright, everybody, we're over at the bandsaw. I don't know if you can see my mark or not, but I can see it. I've marked it out. See if we can get it drilled, and I'll get you guys on the lathe. Oh, please excuse the background noise. My neighbors have a corgi, and he's been going on for 5 minutes, and I'm tired of waiting this hot in this shop, so I'm waiting to start turning. I'm going to turn the fan on. But anyway. Sorry about that. It's kind of hard to, I don't have a good place to set up and be able to work with the drill press real well and film at the same time. Adjust my depth stop because it stopped long before I was ready to. Well, maybe not long before I was ready to. We made it to it. Oh my. Oh my. We've already started off really good. Always on your acrylic blanks, always cut them longer than what you need. And if you're wondering why, right here's the reason. Well, one reason anyway. Let's see if we're gonna have enough. I think we can make it work. I have to glue it back up, but we can make it work. All right, I'll bring you guys back in a few minutes. Alright folks, I finally got it glued up, trimmed, and locked in here. We'll see if we can get it done. I'll make no guarantees on nothing today. But as I said before, it's getting hot, so I'm going to turn the fan on, and I'll just mute a lot of this stuff or put music over it or something. But let's see what we can do. Oh, I was hoping we could hide all that, but it didn't look like we were able to. I don't know if the camera's, that camera don't quite pick it up, but you can see where it broke right there. Got a pretty good line in it, but it doesn't. I think it just adds to it a little bit. Might have to get some colored super glue so we can do like the Japanese pottery thing. You know, when they break pottery, they fix it back with gold. We're not going to do that, but we're not going to use gold, but we might find some off colors to put in there. I don't know, just have to see what I can come up with. But let me get thrown together and I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody, we got it all put together. It's a, you know, like I say, he's a Ford guy, and that's pretty close to Ford blue. And I think the only redeeming quality he's got is he likes red tractors, so he's got that going for him. But anyway, as always, thank you for your time and patience. And like and subscribe, tell your friends. I've been thinking about doing some live videos maybe later in the summer. I don't know if that's something you'd be interested in or not. If it is, drop a comment and let me know. And you can witness what is the nightmare. And anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.